All right, so some people have been having issues with their YouTube API not working, and I just want to cover why that is. So I'm just here at the YouTube instructions. So I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of why yours likely isn't working, because when I made this tutorial that you're following here, my account was already active. So it's a little different when it's brand new. So if I click here, I'll just go to the API console. And the first thing I need to do when I get here is right up here where it says My Project. And if you just created your API account, likely you won't have a project listed, and that's what's causing the issue. So what you need to do is hit this little drop down box here. And I already have some in here, but I'll make a new one. So you just click on New Project, and you can leave all of this. You don't need to give it any special name. So I'll hit Create, and that'll create that project. And you can see it created my project 19296. So now if I come up here and I'll choose that 19296, and if you just created your first one, you'll just have one to choose from. So now we have that project selected, and now we can kind of follow through with the guide that I made. So we click on the Data API, we click Enable, and then once it's enabled, you can just click on either Create Credentials up here, you just go to Credentials, and then we want to, up here at the top, Create Credentials, and we want it to be an API key, and that will create an API key. And if you put that into the software, that should solve the issues you've been having. So likely, if you go into your API account to the screen where you grabbed your API key, likely there's no project listed here, and that's what's causing the issue. You do need to have the API key linked to a project. So just create the project and then follow the steps on this page here, and that should solve your issue.